Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a candy box. Begin by cutting a simple template on sturdy cardstock and score fold lines for crisp edges. Glue tabs firmly and hold for a few seconds to set. Add a lid that fits snugly with a small overlap to prevent slipping. Decorate with ribbons, stickers, or pattern paper to make the box festive and gift-ready. Start by laying out your template on cardstock and using a ruler for precise cuts. Score each fold line gently to avoid tearing and check the folds against a scrap piece. Fold tabs inward and test the lid fit before gluing. When satisfied, apply glue sparingly to tabs and press edges together for a neat seam. Allow the glue to dry before decorating to prevent smudges or warping. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can make more tutorials. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof containers are perfect for storing candies, preventing spills, and making meal prep easy with secure lids. They stack nicely and save space, which pairs well with gift boxes or party prep. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you want more tips, now let's get back to the video. Make your candy box stand out by layering papers and adding small accents. Consider an acetate window to display treats while keeping them safe and secure. Use ribbon loops or a tiny charm on top to give the box a handmade feel. Keep embellishments light to avoid crushing candies, and choose moisture-resistant materials if including sticky sweets. Finish with a neat label indicating flavors or a short greeting for the recipient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.